All right, so you may have this problem in your house. Your doors are always like kind of closing, or you have these crappy door stops, okay, that don't allow the door to get closer to the wall, okay? And it's already tight enough as it is, and you're, hitting it. Same issue here, like, so this is a tight squeeze to get through here, And if you put those conventional door stops, it kind of keeps the door like here. It's tight, but this solution is a lot better. So this solution uses magnets. It holds the door super close to the wall. So let me show you what the solution is. Let's get to it. All right, so this is actually the solution. You get these on Amazon. I'll put a link to this down below. But basically what this is a magnet. So it's a two-part door stop. One part goes on the door, the other part goes on the wall. All right, and the nice thing about this is, first of all, it keeps the door held open. Also, it keeps it super close to the wall. All right, so let me show you how to install this. First step here is we need to actually get to this inside. So what you do is you put some needle nose in there and you just kind of unscrew it. All right, so the one side has a spring, and what the spring does is when it closes, it's not such a hard surface. It's not like this where it hits and then the door bounces back open. In this case, it hits the spring, goes in nice and softly and holds the door in place. This is the part that goes onto the wall. Oh, see? Phantom doors.
I guess it's a phantom install too.
So for this install, we need two things. We need Expo marker. You're gonna see why we need that in a minute. And we need this. All right, so we're gonna get rid of this garbage. So we're gonna attach this plate. And I'm just gonna actually attach it right where my old one was, all right? And you might be thinking these are a little high, and they are. And the reason why is because my wife requested them to be installed a little bit higher than normal so she gets their vacuum underneath, okay? So that's why all my door stops in the house are installed higher. You could install this on drywall. I really wouldn't recommend it because I feel like someone could really hit this aggressively and break it, but you could. But if you did, I probably would try to hit a stud. But in this case, I'm just gonna install it here. Just gonna go. I don't think there's a need to pre-drill these. Then we take this and we screw it on. So now we need to install this piece on the door. And it has to be kind of perfect, right? It can't just be anywhere. So the way we're gonna do that,
You threw it in the laundry room.
did I?
Yeah.
This is where the Expo marker comes into play. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna like color like back in the day, color all over it. And the nice thing is when we're done, this will come off and we're gonna close this door on here. Push it, that's gonna make a mark on the door. Bada bing! Now we know exactly where to line up this center hole. We'll line it up there and attach it. So to do that, we're gonna close the door. So what I'm doing here is I'm lining up this hole. We're gonna put one screw here. We're gonna sign the inside of this 24. We're gonna do family DIY TV. And that reminds me, check out www.familydiytv.com. And this is probably the hardest part. You gotta just kind of push it in, screw it. There we go. And now that is installed. All right, now let's see how this works. So you can see how that spring works in there. All right, you see this keeps it real close. This is almost as close as you can get it to the wall. And then just to open it, you just pull it. That Expo marker, you wipe right off there. But this is a lot, I like this, because now we have the most space we possibly can while walking through this tight hallway. I'm happy, the door's happy. Is the wife happy?
The wife's happy.
All right, I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Put a comment down below if you want this, if you think this is a good idea. I will put a link to this product down below. You can get it right on Amazon. Don't forget, check out www.familydiytv.com. Remember, we're always learning. I'm Mike, and I'm out.